Hello guys, as usual, welcome back to my MP Coding YouTube channel. Here I guide you to install latest PHP version on Windows operating system. So let's see how. Before that, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon to update with my new videos. Okay, first of all, you need to go to your web browser and then type here php.net. This is the PHP official site. So here we can download PHP and we can download current stable PHP version. Also, if you need download any old stable version, you can download it from here. So I download current stable version for Windows. So click here. Then here is the binaries and sources releases page. Here PHP version of 8.3. This is the current stable version and it has given us two choices. One is non-thread safe, another one is thread safe. I choose thread safe one and click here to download shift file. So it started to download. So here is the shift file. I downloaded. Then I extract here. Okay, it is done. Then need to rename this. Okay, done. Simply I rename it as php-8.3. Okay, then I move this file into C drive. It's so here is the our PHP file. Then click here to open the file. So everything is here. To complete our installation, we need to set environment variable. For that, we need to copy the path of PHP. So I copy it. Then go to this PC, right click, properties, then click advanced system settings, environment variable, click here. Then select the path. After click the edit button, click new button, then paste our path here. Then click OK, click OK, click OK, and close it. Okay, it is done. So our PHP installation is done and we can check it. For that, open your command prompt, then type php dash dash version, then click enter. Here is the version of PHP that we installed. That means PHP already installed into our operating system. Okay, it's done. Now I am going to run simple PHP program. For that, I create folder and it name as PHP. Then here I create new text document and it name as hello.php. Okay. I save it and open with notepad. Then here you need to open Angular bracket to run PHP code. So here I simply do echo hello php, then I save this file, then close it. To run this program, I need to open command prompt on this path, then type php hello.php, then click enter. Here is the result, hello PHP. So it completed. We already installed PHP and run first program using PHP. So thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get all the notification about my new videos.